Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Deloitte NLA has finally released the exam date after shortlisting the resume. Many of the student resume is not shortlisted. They have got rejection mail. We will talk about the reason of rejection mail, and many of the student has not received any selection or rejection mail, so they still have a opportunity to get the mail of selection or rejection from the Deloitte. Friends, Deloitte is giving option to choose the exam date, and the exam date is 23rd of January, 24th of January. So here we will see the mail, and also thank you for choosing the slot for the assessment. Your slot has been confirmed for 2 p.m. 24th of January 2025. Many of you have got the rejection mail. We will try to understand what might be the reason. And one more thing, friends, Deloitte NLA, right? Previous year question. Many of you wanted previous year question of Deloitte. Okay, so here you can see on our website, this particular link will be also given in description. And also I have told you on our website onlinestudyforyou.in, so you will be getting mock test, syllabus, exam PYQ, interview questions. Okay, so here Deloitte NLA, so we have explained in detail. So what will be the the number of questions in quant reasoning, English, computer fundamentals, coding section, and also Deloitte NLA complete exam overview. Okay, so application received 1,30,000 and job openings are around 4,000. Okay, so this was this year, this thing, and then here they have given all the details. And then if you go down, then some questions from the Deloitte which we have solved here, previous year question. So you will be getting more detail over here. Anyway, on our YouTube channel also we will be solving the questions. But let us try to understand what would have been the reason, and I will also show you one resume which was selected here, and we will talk in detail. I have not kept the the complete resume in front of you, okay, because it is one of the student resume who has shared with us. So let us see. Deloitte National Level Assessment, select your online assessment date and time slot. So dear someone, as the next step, we would like to schedule your online test. So resume shortlist has been happened, and we know there are this Deloitte know. So every time they select the resume, they shortlist the resume, and then only your exam will be conducted. And many of the students last year also were not been selected, and this year also many of the student has got the rejection mail. Now, is it because of the resume format? No, it's not because of the resume format which we are at least able to analyze. But if you'll see this selected resume, then we have the photo here, and then we have the details, and then in the similar fashion this however Deloitte recommends, in that it was there. Okay, many of you had this time prepared this resume, but there are something which is missing in our resume, or it's not about missing in our resume, it's basically in our skills. Okay, so that we will discuss here again. So please click here to download, choose an available slot as per your preference. Note, if you do not select a slot, you will not be invited for the assessment. Please select your slot at the earliest. In case of any queries, please write us to support@hirepro.in, subject Deloitte NLA. We wish you all the best for the entire process. And then after you select and you choose a slot, you will be getting an email. Thank you for choosing the slot for the assessment. Your slot has been confirmed for 2 p.m. 24th of January 2025. Okay, now, so here I will tell you what is there in the resume. It might not be visible for you because I do not wanted to show the complete data to you, but I have this resume opened here. So let me okay, now, so what all they have done here. So friends, the format is same. So here you see the photo is there, whichever Deloitte recommends, and whatever we had told you in that particular format only. Many of you are telling, sir, my resume was in the same format but got rejected. The reason is not only the format, there are other things which I am going to tell you. Okay, then objective was there. So what we had seen, so there are many who are telling, sir, 8 CGPA above are selected. No, that is also not true. So the current student, if I will see, Okay, education, fine. Okay, so he has not even mentioned, so what is the percentage he had scored in education detail. He had just mentioned which university he is graduated. Okay, so this is not correct. Even with people with 6.1 CGPA, their resumes are selected. So this is not the criteria. Then resume format. So I don't think resume format is again a criteria here. Okay, because last year when they rejected, we were thinking that many of the students did not follow the resume format. Then comes their skills. So here I could see their skills. Okay, Java, JavaScript, and so many things are there, which I do not want to tell here. So there are a lot of skills and interests are there. So that is one interesting thing. And then the internship is there. Then some kind of certification are there. And then he has done some 2-3 projects. Okay, and then some kind of position and responsibility. So some kind of campus ambassador he was, and hobbies and interest. Okay, so there might be a possibility. So Deloitte is hiring for some particular roles. So that particular roles they have filtered it out, and rest they have rejected. So be assured. So neither the I was thinking there might be only students from tier 1, tier 2. That is also not there. So tier 1, tier 2, no, even I was talking to one of the students from tier 3 college is selected for this Deloitte. So basically I would just like to tell you, friends, okay, so please don't think that your resume format was not correct and that's the reason you got rejected. No. So based on the skills, your experience, the number of projects you have done, the number of certifications you have done, see, that is the reason whenever any kind of certification will come, I will request that please guys do take in this and do participate in these certifications, but you guys will not be interested. If you'll go to our channel, and there you will see that particular videos will have very less views. That means people are not interested. I don't know when last time I had made that. Okay, so after that I also stopped making, because all those things, no, this certification, see, I always tell you, all those small things, no, company thinks that this guy is putting some effort outside of his academics. Okay, otherwise everybody is doing the same thing. See, I am also studying C++, you are also studying C++, I am also studying this machine learning, you are also studying in machine learning. How should I filter a candidate? So there should be definitely something interesting where I will be able to filter the candidate. So that you guys are not ready to understand. So somewhere that internship things we were doing it. Okay, anyway, now whoever has got email, so now it's time for them to prepare. Okay, you have only some 2 to 3 days. I was telling you from beginning only, once your resume will be shortlisted, you will not be getting enough time to prepare. Now if you want to prepare in 1 to 2 days, go for this Deloitte crash course. Okay, so the important things you read. If you talk about the syllabus, see, the link will be given in description, and get it. See, this course is not only useful for Deloitte, for other examination also it will be useful. So get this Deloitte crash course, 2 days, 3 days, you read whatever time you have, and also some free videos we will be making on YouTube. Okay, this, see, our each and every course is helpful if you are taking it very seriously. 2 days you have, sit 2 days and try to cover the content which is uploaded. See, at least some previous year questions you cover. Okay, and then some technical MCQs you cover. Okay, whatever is important at least you cover. Okay, go, I mean, just one by one watch the video quickly. Even the PDF file will be also there. So if you go inside this technical MCQs, so you can see testing and computer science. Okay, and then technical MCQs. Okay, cloud, networking. So just at least go through it. Okay, 2 days is, I will not say it's too much, you have too much time, but whatever time you have, utilize in a proper way, and whatever in that day, no, you just go through the previous year question. Some videos I will be uploading tomorrow itself, and that will definitely help you a lot. Okay, now, so, and for the previous year question and the exact, okay, so what is the pattern? So here it is very clear. So bhaiya, from reasoning 12 questions will be there, aptitude 10 question will be there, English 13 question, computer fundamentals, that is technical MCQs 30 questions will be there, coding 2 questions will be there, total section time duration 90 minutes, adaptive no 1,30,000, 4,000 openings are there. Quant and logical things has been explained here. The cutoff has been explained here, and then the questions has been explained here. So go through our website. Lot of datas are there, lot of things are there, which is definitely going to help you a lot. That's what I wanted to tell you. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet tomorrow, and there we are going to do some videos on Deloitte, and it is definitely going to help you a lot. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.